What if I told you that thousands are earning full-time income on YouTube without ever appearing on camera? Faceless channels are booming, and today, I'm revealing the truth: what really works, what doesn't, and how you can build one in 2025. Viewers care more about content than who's talking. That's why faceless formats like tutorials, animations, top 10 lists can rank just as well as personality-driven videos. Plus, they're scalable, less vulnerable to personal setbacks, and easier to outsource. Niches that perform well without faces include top 10 fact videos, meditation or sleep channels, animated explainers, compilation or stock footage, and screen-recorded tutorials. Some meditation channels earn over $50K/month purely on ad revenue and affiliate sales, according to Social Blade. Here's a real example. A finance screen record channel makes about $200 a day by monetizing affiliate links to trading platforms. Let's break down popular faceless formats. Tutorial or how-to use screen recordings to teach software or skills. Animation tools like Vyond or Toonly and AI voiceovers let you build narrative videos. Listicles find trending topics and structure as top 5. Stock footage. Combine downloads with script narration for mood or travel content. Tooltips for screen recording, use OBS Studio. For voice, try InVideo AI or Uberduck. For graphics, Canva or Vyond have you covered. Success starts with structure. Here's what works. SEO title and tags use keyword tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ. Hook in the first 10 seconds, promise a quick benefit at the top. Engaging thumbnails, bold text and imagery. Consistent uploads 2 to 3 per week ramps performance. Shorter videos, 6 to 12 minutes, is the sweet spot for ads and attention spans. Once you have views, here's how to cash in. YouTube ads require 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours for the partner program. Affiliate links, include them in your description or linked in the video. Digital products sell templates, audio, or planners. Channel memberships offer perks for members, even for faceless channels. For example, a small faceless tech channel makes around $500 a month in affiliate commissions promoting laptops and software tools, no face required. 3 big myths. You need a face. Wrong. Content speaks first. AI content is enough, it helps, but edits and human tweaks are essential. It's passive from day one, it requires initial investment planning, scripting, editing, SEO. But once set, it can automate itself. Final take. Faceless channels aren't magic, but they are possible. With strategy and consistency, you can build a real digital asset. Have questions? Drop them below. If you want faceless channel templates or a breakdown of successful channels, type faceless in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe for faceless finance and passive income tips, and let's make your channels work while you sleep. Make millions.